Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon and welcome to my channel and welcome back for all my viewers and all my subscribers. It's been a while that any of my videos have gone up, but this is a pre-filmed video that you will be seeing a lot later than from when I'm shooting. And because of COVID and because of my last video that I did put out and I did share that why I wasn't really as regular, but here's hoping that from here on my regular uploads are resumed and I'm able to share all my content and all my beauty and all my makeup favorites with you once again. So with this video I want to talk about a few products that are, I think, a must have for this season because we are still in summers, and I think it just goes without like a doubt that the most important product that you must and you should be using at least at this point of time, apart from any makeup, is a skincare product. And yes, I'm talking about sunscreens. So I have some new sunscreens with me over here. These are 4 new sunscreens. I did a video long time back on my channel where I talked about some of my favorite sunscreens for Indian skin and brown skin that don't leave a white cast, that are great to wear under the sun, under makeup. And if you just are someone who doesn't really wear a lot of makeup, you just want protection, those sunscreens are great. I'm going to link that video over here. And in this meantime, during lockdown, I have been ordering a lot of products on and off, makeup and beauty and skincare all, and these 4 sunscreens have really been one of my, like, actually 4 of my favorites that I've been using on rotation. I'm going to talk about them quickly. So if you want to know all about the 4 favorite sunscreens of mine that I'm loving right now and why I love them and why I want to recommend them, then let me put this. Let's get started. So I have 4 with me to talk about today, and I just want to like put out so that I don't keep repeating myself. They are all between the price range of 800 to 900, starting to 1500 being the maximum. So all the 4 are in the same range. So I'm not going to point out the prices specifically. You can check them off from the description box below. I will leave the links to everything. And I'll start off with the one which is the cheapest of all, which is the Innisfree Rebalancing Water Sunscreen, which comes for a price of, I think, 800 or 900, I'm not sure, but like I said, this is the cheapest of all the 4 that I have, and I love the sunscreen. First of all, I think there are multiple different like groups of sunscreens that Innisfree has on its website on Nykaa that I really wanted to purchase, but some of them were out of stock. Some of them I wasn't sure about the texture, but this one is great. Like, the consistency of this is so light. It's so, like, I would say, like, very water based. It doesn't make your skin feel heavy or greasy, and it's great to put, under makeup, or if you just want to put it on your face after your toner, moisturizer, everything that you do in the morning. It's just great for the skin, and it has a very nice smell. If you guys don't really like fragrance, I mean, I don't know what to do about that, but this doesn't really have a very strong and a disturbing fragrance, and I love it for the price. This is almost like, I think, a 40 ml tube, which is lasting me since last 3 months, and it just comes for 800 or 900 bucks, which is great. So Innisfree, this is my first loved recommendation. The second one that I want to talk about is also by Innisfree, and this is the Aqua Water Drop Sunscreen, which comes with an SPF of 50, and it's again a AAA plus. This again has a very nice, I would say, like a much more creamy and a much more dewy consistency than the previous one that I showed you, which was a lot more watery. So I would say this is a lot more hydrating. If you have dry skin, especially like me, I'm always looking out for sunscreens that can hydrate my skin along with, giving me the sun protection factor, because for dry skin it gets very matte after a while, and you can't go on like reapplying sunscreens, especially for me, unless I really take off my makeup. Applying sunscreens on top of my makeup, it's not something that I'm very fond of, and this is great for that. This comes for a very decent price, and I think this is almost like a 50 ml tube, which is going to last you very long. So again, was a great recommendation from Innisfree. I want to do a full Innisfree video very soon about sunscreen and all the great products, but for now, this is a sunscreen that you must check out. I don't know what is it with the Korean brands and sunscreens, but they are really mastering the art of doing great sunscreens, and this one is from the brand Face Shop, and this is the Natural Sun, what is the name, Super Perfect Sunscreen, which comes with an SPF of 50. This is actually one of my most used sunscreens amongst all of these right now, because I don't know, it's just that the texture of this is not very hydrating like the previous one, which has left kind of a glow on the back of my hand. So it doesn't really double up like too greasy, and because it's summers, I don't want something that's too like hydrating, but I want something that is also moisturizing, and this is like great for that. It has a very nice, I would say, like a very balanced texture. It is not very heavy, it is not very watery. It is like the basic, most fundamental traditional form of a sunscreen that you would like to apply on your skin and on your face. I in fact even go applying this on my arms, on my legs, like everywhere where I have a little bit of skin showing, and I don't feel greasy. I don't feel my clothes are sticking to me, or if I rest my hands on like chairs or underarms or on the table, I'm leaving like prints of my skin. It doesn't happen at all. So this is again a great recommendation from the Face Shop, and great price, and also it's an 80 ml tube, so definitely worth the price. If you want to go out there and spend your money on a new sunscreen, check this one out from Face Shop. And the final one that I want to talk about is from a great Dermat brand, and all you girls who have acne problems, who have sensitive skin, who have skin that break out very easily, especially with sunscreens. I know I have been one of those people who has had pimple problems with using sunscreen, because a lot of these sunscreens are not non-comedogenic, so they do end up clogging up pores. But this one from Avène is great if you have sensitive or dry skin, or if you just are someone who's very sensitive to using anything that has like chemicals and the sunscreen ingredients that usually come in these formulations. Avène is a great brand to go for. It's very safe, it's very skin friendly, and this is the Avène, I'm not going to try and say the French name. I'm just going to say very high protection, which comes with the SPF factor of 50. So this is great. It in the beginning, on the first tube and application, like as you take out of like a small pump, it does look like it's very white. You will feel like there's a white cast, but as you go on blending it on your skin and on your face, it completely melts out and it completely blends into your skin. It leaves a very nice glow. And this is great for people who don't love fragrance in their creams. This is absolutely non-fragrant. It just smells like a standard cream with no fragrance. If you used Avène products, you will know what I'm talking about. So it's great for sensitive skin overall, and again, a very nice Dermat brand to go for. It is always out of stock on Nykaa, so the next time you get your hands on the website, just click on the notify me button and make sure that you get a tube and try this out. And that's all for this video, and the best sunscreens that I had to share with you that I'm loving and absolutely recommending right now. You definitely need to wear a sunscreen around the year, and I know a lot of you, because of staying indoors, might be skipping on wearing sunscreens altogether because you think that the fact that you're not stepping out, you don't need a sunscreen. But that's absolutely false, guys. Even inside and even indoors, if you're sitting near a window, if you have any windows within your room that have a lot of glare coming in, they can actually ruin your skin in the long term. So you need to apply a sunscreen irrespective of the weather, irrespective of the fact that you're going out or not. And I do hope that there are any of these that you are able to find and try out and maybe get used to in your skincare collection. Also, before you guys leave and end this video, you probably will be noticing the black bars in this video frame, which is very different than the usual videos that I shoot, and there's a reason for that. And what that reason is something that I will be revealing in my next video. So it's big, it's something very big, and I will be sharing all the details and everything in my next one. So make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you watch this video till the end, and the next one is coming very soon. Till then, take care, see you guys, stay safe, bye.